this segment for your health, there's a health fair going on here at Golden Villa Nursing and Rehab. So we've made our way out. I'm here with Brandy Pulliam. Thank you so much for having us out.
Oh, you're welcome. Thank you for coming. I appreciate it.
Yeah, so you guys have a pretty exciting day happening today. Tell me what's going on behind us.
We have vendors from all over the area. We have Atlanta represented here, Texarkana represented, New Boston, Texas. Here we have people from every facet of healthcare locally that are here to answer questions. They're giving out good information, good prizes.
Yeah.
Good things. You know, it's a lot of good information, good food. And,
yeah, there's lots of snacks and prizes. Like you said, you're doing giveaways throughout the entire day. But tell us about the importance of this health fair and what it actually means for the people of Atlanta.
We want to bring awareness to the healthcare services that are available here locally. We can provide state-of-the-art wound care, state-of-the-art therapy. This is Kayla Stanley. She's a certified occupational therapist with Reliant Rehabilitation. She's the director of our rehab program. We can take people who are in an acute care setting in a hospital, work with these people with IVs, wounds, therapy needs, joint replacement, get them here, get them well, and transition them home.
Yes.
And we provide also outpatient therapy. That way, when they transition home, it's good continuation of care that they have the same therapist.
Yes.
So
those are great services that you provide. But tell us a little bit about everyone that is here and some of the people that have joined you today.
Okay, well, we have hospice from Marshall, Texas. We have a hospice represented. We have inpatient rehab from Texarkana. We have Encompass. Christus St. Michael Home Health. We have Kelton Home Health Care. You can see their booth right here. Dirksen Hospice. Let's see, Heritage is here also. Looking to see if I can see some names. Young Living Oils has a booth here today.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. People from all over the community have come out to help support.
Absolutely. So people are able to come out and get lots of good information and know perhaps about some of the services that are available to them within the community of Atlanta and surrounding areas. A lot of information that perhaps they didn't know before.
Absolutely. We also have the Wadley Scan Van here that does cardiovascular scans and stroke risk scans. So.
And you have this health fair every year. How does this work?
Yes, this is our 10th annual.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yes,
so if you didn't make it out today, you can definitely look forward to next year.
Yes.
Yeah, Brandy, we're going to head inside. I know that we're going to take a look at some of your facilities and talk a little bit about your programs and go more in depth. So let's go ahead in and talk more about that.
All right, thank you.
We've made our way inside Golden Villa Rehab, Nursing and Rehab, and I'm here with Gary Klein. Gary, thank you so much for having us in, showing us around.
My pleasure.
So
welcome.
Tell us a little bit about who you are in the room that we're standing in right now.
So I'm the COO of Caring Healthcare. It's the parent company of Golden Villa. And this is one of our 15 Texas locations. And you're in our new rehab gym. So we're into our second year here. It's great. I know the staff love it. It's expansive. There's room for everybody to have their individualized therapies, and especially on a day like today, it's good to come inside and cool off.
Yeah, absolutely. So you guys have expanded, and tell me what that means for the public and the services that you're able to provide to not just the people in Atlanta, but other counties.
So, we've been operating Golden Villa since 2012, and when we took over, predominantly this facility was a long-term care facility. Over the past few years, it's changed a lot in that we have more than 50% of our residents that come in end up going home.
Yeah.
Some in 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, and to be able to do that, we needed this space so that they can all get their individualized space for their rehab programs. And so it's great. We finished it, and it's packed every day.
Yeah, so I know that the staff here really believes in giving every person that they come in contact with the care in order to get them home. That is the main goal. We've talked about that before. We want to talk about it again on how important it is for their families who are putting their trust in Golden Villa to know that they're trying to get their family home as soon as possible.
Right. So, we have a great staff here at Golden Villa, and there's two primary qualifications that they need to have. They've got to be professionals, but they also have to be caring. And putting that together means that they'll take care of your loved one as you would expect, and you would take care of your loved one yourself. So this is a place that I would encourage anybody to consider, to trust, care for, and get most of our residents back home to the community.
Yes, well, Gary, thank you so much for having us today. We loved it. We loved the tour of Golden Villa. We're going to pop that information for you on the screen. If you want to call, if you want some more information on Golden Villa, just give that number a call on your screen. Gary, thank you again.
Thank you.
And stick around. We've got more Loving Living Local after the break.